Problem. A capillary tube of diameter equal to 0.5 mm is dipped in a liquid of density 800 kg per meter cube and surface tension equal to 0.028 Newton per meter. Calculate the rise if the angle of contact is equal to 16.3 degrees. Analysis. This problem is related to the topic of surface tension. In particular, the problem deals with surface tension of a liquid in a capillary tube. The equation which connects surface tension with other parameters of the liquid and the capillary is T equal to R into H into D into G upon 2 cos theta. In this equation, capital T is the surface tension, R is the radius of capillary tube, H is the rise of liquid in capillary tube, also called level difference, D is the density of liquid, G is the acceleration due to gravity, theta is the angle of contact, which is the angle made by tangent to the curved part of liquid surface at the point of contact with the wall of a container. In this equation, there are in all 5 parameters. Therefore, if values of any 4 parameters are given, the value of the 5th parameter can be found out by solving the equation. In this problem, the values of R, D, T and theta are given. Substituting these values in the equation, we can get the value of H, that is a rise of liquid in the capillary tube. A solution. A surface tension of a liquid in capillary tube is given by the equation T is equal to R into H into D into G upon 2 cos theta. We want to find out the rise of water H in a capillary tube. Hence, we will rewrite the equation as H equal to 2T cos theta upon RdG. Now, the values given in the problem are diameter equal to 0.5 mm. Therefore, radius R is equal to 0.25 mm and that is equal to 0.25 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Theta equal to 16.3 degrees and surface tension T is equal to 0.028 Newton per meter. And substituting the values of R, capital T, D and theta into the equation, we get H equal to 2T cos theta upon R into D into G. Substituting the numerical values, we get 2 into 0.028 into cos of 16.3 whole upon 0.25 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 800 into 9.81. The simplification of this equation gives H equal to 0.0274 meter. Therefore, liquid will rise by 0.0274 meter in a capillary tube.